More privacy problems for Apple. A new lawsuit claims that the company is selling data on customers' iTunes listening habits. All rise. Judge Andrew Napolitano is here. This is even more intriguing with Tim Cook, sort of saying, hey, we don't do this kind of thing, so.
Well, Tim Cook himself has said, I don't know if he said it at Tulane in the commencement speech he gave over the weekend, what is said on your iPhone stays on your iPhone. I mean, obviously that's not the case if they're selling this, and they're. I mean, who knows if they're selling it? But plaintiffs allege that they are, and they're using Apple's serious advertising and anecdotal statements out of the mouth of their chair, Tim Cook, to show that if it is being sold, it's against what Apple said. Boiled down, the allegation is that consumers are being defrauded. If the lawsuit is allowed to go forward, it'll be a class action, meaning everybody who has one of these will be in a position to collect some cash or something from Apple as a result of it.
Could there be, though, something in the fine print that protects Apple? Because we all have this fine print that no one reads, and it feels like ultimately, despite what Tim Cook may have said, Apple's prepared for this.
I would think that the public face of Apple would negate statements in the fine print.
Really?
I do, because there are so many human beings involved. They are so huge. They sell so many products to so many people. Here's what their lawyers would basically say to a judge. Yeah, we do tell everybody that we don't do this, but in the fine print, we admit that we do. So we really do commit fraud on everybody, but we're protected. I don't think that washes.
Wow. So
now, again, this lawsuit has just been filed.
Right.
We haven't heard Apple's answer. They may very well have an answer comparable to the hypothetical answer that you just suggested. We don't know.
It's going to be tough for them as they move into a service model, not to go after that money. That's a lot of money. Those 1.3 billion eyeballs and listening habits, well, that's a lot of money to ignore.
Is this really money for the consumers, or can I channel my Stuart Varney? Is this... I know you're watching, Stu. Is this a windfall for the lawyers?
It's going to be a windfall for the lawyers.
Because when you have a class action, and the class is enormous, it's a billion people, who gets a coupon and who gets the cash?
Right.
The lawyers get the cash. The people that buy these things or rent them get the coupon.
We only got a minute, but I got to ask you about J&J and this opioid trial in Oklahoma.
I'm shaking my head because this is the first of many headaches for J&J. The question is, did they know how addictive opioids were, and did they not reveal? Now, I'm going to suggest to you that J&J's defense will be the same as Purdue Pharma's defense was. We didn't sell anything that wasn't approved by the FDA. And by the way, the FDA today even approves our advertising language. So we should be protected by the decisions and the imprimatur granted to us by the FDA. The state court in Oklahoma doesn't care. So they may have to make this argument again before the Supreme Court of the United States if some jury in Oklahoma hits them with a verdict out of proportion to whatever harm they may have caused.
Right. I tell you, though, it's absolutely amazing. Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Pleasure.